Strong serve by Phoenix, received by Libero Allied Knights. Combination play! Now, number 2 is serving for Allied Knights. Good serve by Allied Knights, received by Phoenix. Tres Fuentes. Nice one! It's a quick attack from the rising Phoenix. It's number 28 at the service line. Good serve by 28, received by Allied Knights. The captain sets it up for back row attack. Libero was there. And number 1 drops the ball. Number 8, Libero was there. And it's a lifting violation. And plus overlying point to Allied Knights. Number 17, serving for Allied Knights. Good receive, Tres Fuentes sets it up, but easy over. Allied Knights, slight miscommunication, combination attack. 1 point goes to Allied Knights. It's a close fight with 3 serving 1. 17 at the service line. Good serve. 17 receives it. Tres Fuentes sets it up. Easy over. Libero quick attack. Someone was there. Abina sets it up for number 1. Drop ball. And of course, Allied Knights. Easy over. Some receiving by Little Phoenix. Back row attack. Ball goes out. Point to Allied Knights. 17 still at the service line. Good serve by number 9. Good receive. Tres Fuentes sets it up.